Hi everyone, I'm Whitney and I post a new tutorial every single Wednesday here on my channel to help sewers of all skill levels learn new projects and techniques. After I posted my step-by-step memory bear tutorial, I had people requesting a video showing how I make some of the bears look like they're wearing overalls. So that's what I'm going to be showing how to do today. This is a really cute extra detail you can do to personalize memory bears. You will need the material that you want to use for the overalls portion of the bear as well as the shirt portion, and thread, 2 buttons, interfacing, your clear plastic template, and some washi tape. I have a separate video showing how to transfer a regular sewing pattern into a plastic template. That video will be linked down below in the description box as well as right up here in the upper corner of the screen in the information icon. Place your first piece of washi tape on the body front piece so it goes straight down from the dot that marks the arm placement. The second piece needs to be placed perpendicular from the first. These will mark the strap placement and where the shirt and overalls meet. Cut pieces from your fabric and interfacing that are larger than the body front area from the washi tape and below. Two pieces for the shirt and interfacing that are larger than the upper part of the pattern piece. And one final piece with interfacing that will be used for the overall straps. Place the interfacing textured side down against the back side of each fabric piece and fuse into place with an iron and steam. Use a rotary cutter and a ruler to cut the 2 shirt pieces. I like to cut them a little off center since the strap doesn't go straight through the center of the pattern piece. Also trim one edge of each lower piece straight. By the way, if you want more info on the sewing and cutting supplies I'm using, make sure to check out the Amazon link below. It is an affiliate link and anything purchased through it helps me earn a small percentage to fund future Whitney Sews tutorials. Next, you need to cut 2 strips that are 1 inch wide for the straps. We'll start by sewing the top part together. So place the strap between 2 of the shirt pieces. Place right sides together and sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Open it up and add the remaining piece on the other side of the strap. Give it a good press so everything lays nice and flat, then repeat with the second set of pieces. Trim off one side of the piece so it's straight. Make sure to line the marks of the ruler up with the edges of the strap piece so your cut is perfectly perpendicular like the washi tape markings on the pattern piece. Line the cut edges up on one top piece and one bottom piece and sew across to attach. Open and press the seam. Place the pattern piece on top, carefully lining up the washi tape markings with the strap and the seam between the top and bottom. Then trace around the pattern piece. Flip the pattern over and line up on the second piece to trace a mirror image so you have a right and left side of the body. Cut out each piece just inside the traced lines. At this point, you should have 2 pieces that look like this. Place the 2 right sides together and sew along the center seam. You want to try to get the seam to match up all the way across so the overalls look really nice where the bottom meets the top. I also sewed a quick row of stitches across the top so the pieces don't start coming unsewn. Then sew your 2 buttons on at the base of the straps. You then sew the rest of the bear together the same way that I showed in my step-by-step memory bear tutorial, and you have an adorable custom memory bear who is dressed in overalls. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if there are any other custom memory bear techniques that you want to see in a tutorial here on my channel, make sure to leave those requests in the comment section down below, and also subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the awesome videos that I have coming up. Until next time, happy sewing!